Hey guys, I'm Robert from Flyvideo. This time I brought you a short tutorial about color grading the new Mavic 3's D-Log footage, how to bring them to life from that scary, ugly gray look. And I'll show you how to do this in a few steps in just a few minutes. And we're gonna do it in Vegas Pro, but these settings can be found, these plugins can be found in every video editor software. So let's get into it. So I've got my Vegas already up and running. It's the Vegas Pro version 18. Let me just drop my ugly D-Log file onto my timeline. This was shot with the Mavic 3 in 5.1K, 25 frames per second. I just cut the unnecessary parts, so we'll have a nice clean footage with shadows and colors and trees and stuff. So this upper part is not contrasty, and we're gonna concentrate on the trees here at the bottom. So let's just check our histogram. You can see the shadows and the blacks and the whites here, and how they spread across our image, or we can check the waveform option. Normally the shades have to be between 0 and 100. 0 is the darkest part, 100 is the brightest, and if they go higher or lower than these lines, there's something wrong with our image. It's either too dark or too bright. So we have to stay between those lines. And as I've told you in the beginning, these options, these plugins can be found in every video editor software, so they just might have a slightly different name, or you know, they must be there somewhere. So I have to choose track effects. I go into track effects and I look for a few effects that I need now to correct the contrast and the colors of my shot. First, I'll click on the color correction plugin, I think. Yeah. Then I need the levels plugin to correct the contrast, and finally the curves. I think the curves plugin will be the third one. So here we can see all three of them. I just set the size of this so we can see what's going on here. Now at first I'm gonna bring a little contrast to my image, not with this one, but with the levels plugin. Nearly everything I do here can be done in several ways, several methods. There are more than one solution for this. This is just how I do it now. First, I pull the input end till I reach the 100 line, as you can see on the waveform plugin up there. So I just put some brightness onto my image, as you can see. Now let's fix the blacks and the darks here with the input start, and let's bring the blacks to somewhere around the 0 line. So as you can see, let's change the quality here so you can see this better. As you can see, our waveform has just got richer, more detailed with the high quality setting. Next up, I'll give it some saturation. Some more saturation. And you can see the result on the preview right away. Next up, I click on curves to set the middle shades of my image, because it's still way too bright and missing some shadows. We are a bit over the top here, but we'll check on it later, no problem. I click on the middle here, and I'm gonna pull this down towards the bottom right corner until I see enough shadows and contrast on my image. But I'm gonna leave a bit above the 100 line to let some of the clouds to be totally white. It won't be a problem. Not too white, but it's not a problem. I also let the blacks out just a bit to have a more contrasty image, just a little bit. As I turn this on and off, this plugin, you can see how it changes. It's really beautiful. To my eyes, it's a nice, rich colored image with the right contrast on it right now. Yeah, let's just turn them all off. This was the beginning, the original, and 3 clicks and it came to life. Okay, it wasn't so hard, was it? So obviously there are no rules for the right contrast, the right color settings. I mean, there are some, but it really depends on your taste, your mood, your eyes. There are hundreds of settings to play with. I've just showed you my basic fix for the Mavic 3's D-Log footage. So thanks for joining me again. Just click like and subscribe if you like this one. So see you next time, guys. Bye.